Hi guys, it's Mazan. Welcome to Mass Vlog. So today is Saturday and my second attempt at going to Dubai. As you know, yesterday Friday I had a Air India flight in the morning which didn't go very well, and I was not allowed to board the flight because of the COVID-19 certificate issues, and I have made a separate video on that. So do watch that video also. And now today is Saturday and I'm just heading to the airport. I just left from my house and I'm on my way. There's a lot of traffic, so I'll be able to reach in 1 hour. Let's see how much time it takes, and once I reach the airport and check in, I will update you as what's happening with the new airline. So guys, I just reached the airport right now and I'm going inside, and let's see how it goes. Hi guys, so currently I am in the lounge of the airport. I just finished my immigration security and finally I got checked in. So I'm right now flying with Fly Dubai, and the check-in was very smooth, but there was too much of crowd, so it took approximately 1 hour 30 minutes to just check in my bags. But the check-in was hassle-free, nothing much was asked, and the immigration is very empty. So right now I'm just sitting in the lounge for some time, and then I'll go towards the flight. So I'll show you around the lounge, and it's very good, but it's very empty, nobody's. I just ordered one chicken sandwich and one tea from the lounge, and I've already got the food here. I'll show you what they're doing. So I'm going to right now enjoy my meal, and then I'll head to the gate. So let's see you at the gate. So guys, I'm just heading to the plane right now. The airport is completely empty, as I've shown you. There's nobody, there's very few flights. So I'll see you in the plane. So guys, the boarding call has been given and now I'm heading to the aircraft. So I'll see you in there. So guys, finally I'm in the plane, and right now we're waiting for takeoff. So I'll show you once the plane goes for takeoff. So right now we're in the ground and we're just boarding takeoff. So guys, right now we are at the runway and we're waiting for takeoff. So as you have seen the food, so basically we have some pieces of chicken, rice, one bread, cheese and some water. So let's enjoy this meal, and I'll meet you when we are ready for lunch. So guys, right now I'm in the bus and the bus will take me to the terminal. So we just disembarked from the plane and right now we are heading to the terminal. As you can see, we are in a bus and we are going to Terminal 2, Dubai. So let's see how much time it will take and what is the procedure at Dubai. we are in Dubai airport, and this is terminal to Dubai airport. So I just gave my COVID test to the person, and now we're waiting in line for the immigration. So once the immigration is done, I'll let you know what happened. I just finished the immigration, and right now we are waiting to get the COVID test done. So guys, I just got my bag, and right now I'm moving outside of the airport. I have finished my RT-PCR test, and they will give me the result later, so I can go out now. So guys, finally I have reached Dubai, and I'm standing in front of the airport right now. So I just exited. I'm waiting for the pickup. Now when my pickup arrives, I will go to the house, and then hopefully I'll keep on making more vlogs and show you around. So till then, take care, travel safe.